Hey, what's up everybody? Today I want to show you guys some Rockford Fosgate motorcycle audio gear. So one of the most important pieces inside the kit is the Rockford Fosgate TM 404. This is a 4-channel amplifier. This is going to run your fairing speakers, and it's going to also run the bag lid speakers that I'll show you here in a little bit. This one here will give you the ability to tune the front two left and right speakers without affecting the rear, in case you don't know too much about it. So that way we can control the 6.5s that come in the kit, and we can also run the 6x9s that are in the bag lids. So this particular kit is a 2014 and up Harley Davidson kit, works on street glide, road glide, and then this is the plate right here that actually mounts underneath the fender. What's cool about this plate is the amplifier, first off, will bolt to the plate itself. It's already threaded, we're not trying to pre-tap it. It also acts as a heat sink. So what it'll do is it'll pull the heat, or the heat will transfer out of the amplifier itself into the metal and help the amplifier run a bit cooler. So the next item inside of the Rockford Fosgate 2014 and up kit is the 6.5 that's going to mount up in the fairing, or this will mount up in the tour pack, and it also fits the leg warmer spots for aftermarket units. The kit itself comes with 3 different grills. There's a round one that's going to be used for the tour pack in the back. There's a grill that replaces the factory OEM Harley Davidson grill, kind of spices it up, makes it look a little bit better. And then there's one for the street glide that replaces that grill also. So to go into a little bit of specs on these are 91 dB sensitivity input rating. So that's almost 3 dB louder than what you would get from your average car audio speaker, which means the speaker is going to be naturally louder with less power. So that's everything that's included in the 2014 and up Harley Davidson kit. So this is an add-on. So if you want bag lid speakers, this is the go-to guy right here. These things are lightweight, they're a 6x9 speaker, 91 dB sensitivity input rating, fully waterproof. The kit also comes with a protective cover for the back of the magnet to protect all your valuables in the saddlebags. So now that you know that we have a loud, reliable, and durable system for your Harley Davidson, all there's left to do is give us a call.